Graphing quadratics by hand in vertex form. First, we'll start by locating the vertex. Second, we'll count two spaces from the axis of symmetry. Third, we will reflect the points. And we will finally draw our graph. So let's look at our first function. We have 2 times x plus 1 raised to the second power minus 4. So this is number 1. We locate the vertex. -1, -4. The second thing is we count 2 more spaces past the axis of symmetry. And the axis of symmetry happens to be -1. So the next number after -1 will be 0. Then the next number after that will be 1. I plugged in the 0 value and worked it out line by line. You can follow the arrows. Just make sure you are using your order of operations. By plugging in the 0, my y value is -2. I also plugged in 1 and worked this one out line by line, and my y value became 4. Make sure you are following the order of operations. After plugging in 1, my y value is 4. So here are the 3 points we were able to find the values for. So the first thing I want you to focus on is the axis of symmetry. That is the imaginary dotted line, vertical line that goes through the vertex. I can now focus on my first point, and this point is 1 space away from the axis of symmetry. If this point is 1 space to the right of the axis of symmetry, then this dot should be 1 space to the left of the axis of symmetry. If this point is 2 spaces to the right of the axis of symmetry, then this dot should be 2 spaces to the left of the axis of symmetry. And the fourth thing to do is to draw the graph.